Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I got a little parcel of things given to me the other day. Sorry about this, I'm here and I'm finding it. A subby of mine that lives here in town, she brought me around all these goodies, so thank you very much Michele for these goodies. She does keep me stocked up on goodies. And I'm so spoilt. So anyway, so we got this nice parcel bit here. I love parcels, you know. I think we all love a parcel, so she's parceled this up for me. Love this piece of ribbon. Oh, this is good, isn't it? Yes, I do like that piece of ribbon. Thank you so much, Michele. That's really, really nice. I'm hoping that I've got the camera around the right way. I think I do. And this here, oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, well. Gee, that would make a nice cover, wouldn't it, on something? Thank you. This is awesome. Look. Oh, look at it. It's got pieces of ribbon along here. There's that velvet. That's velvet, that one in the middle. Oh, that's nice. You don't come across that much. I suppose you can get it on the internet, but I go on there to buy things and get sidetracked and never find out what I'm looking for anyway. So, used to always get stuff once, but not now. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. And I've got 4 flower pieces like that. Thank you very much for that one. That's really nice too, isn't it? Wow. And I've got this piece. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh wow. This is nice, isn't it? Isn't that flash? Ooh. Oh, I do like that. I do love this, the net, that colour, you know, I just do like that netting. I do like that sort of thing that, anyway, you can see it over the calico thing, like here that I've put my camera down further because a lot of people say they can't see what I'm doing, so I've tried to get it as close to me as I possibly can, so I hope that everybody can see what I'm doing now. What have I got here? Oh boy, okay, it's a sleeve. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've got some pieces off there. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this here. All the little spots. The flowers. And look at that, the netting part. I love the netting part. Wow, isn't that cool? Thank you very much, Michele. Thank you. Let me see what else. Oh, look at these. Oh dear, look at these trims. Aren't these delicious? Oh dear, I love these. Oh wow. Oh, isn't this so good? It's so nice, isn't it? Thank you so much for these lovely things. Look at that. Oh, I like that. A little fluff on it. And there's a blue one. Oh wow. And another blue one. Oh, it's the same piece. This is nice, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, I'll be able to do some nice trimming with those. Thank you so much. These are so beautiful. Thank you. I really like them. I'm going to have to put them in something or wrap them so I don't, because they got a little bit bent up. That means I'll have to get the iron out. I can do it. No, wait, nobody panic. I promise us. I do know how to iron. I just don't really look partial to it. And she gave me some of this. Now, I guess I can say on here, I really, 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 really like this. And I'm going to send a small piece of this to you, Jeanette, if you're watching. Because you wanted something that was precious to me, and by gee, this is. I can't send you my craft room. Everything in it is precious. One precious thing. It's really hard to find one precious thing, but besides this, there will be a couple more of precious things, but I won't put a video up of that, but I'm going to send you a piece of that because Michele was generous enough to give me 2. She was a really good girl and gave me 2 pieces, one for me and one that I could share, and I'd like to share that with you. So because it is so beautiful, isn't it? I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but there'll be something, because look, there's sequin flowers in each one of these things going along here. There's this trim of little beads, and it just looks so delicious, doesn't it? Isn't it beautiful? I just absolutely love that. I can't remember what she said it was on now. It might have been a top or something, but oh, isn't that good? So thank you very much for that. And now I've got this parcel. Oh, look at this. Ah, I love this pink lace. Wow. Oh, look at that. Isn't that good? You could probably cut those bits out, you know, and or use it like it is. Excuse me a minute, I've just got to wipe the perspiration out of my eye. It's not that bad, but oh dear, it's still hot here in Australia. I've got the fan going, I've got the air conditioner on. When you start moving around, everything starts to, oh, isn't this good? This good. Oh dear. Don't know what I would have did with that, with all this beautiful stuff you keep sending me. You're a very good girl. Thank you so much for helping me so much with this. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Oh, look at that. That's gonna make it. Wouldn't that be good as a page or something? All these things I'm thinking about doing all the time. I've got to get them out. I've got to work them out. I've got to get them out there and do them. I've got to do them. When you're thinking about it in your head, the process goes so quick, you just don't know why you can't get on with it. Look at that, and I've got a heap of that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Michele. That is so good. Thank you. Oh, look at this one. Oh, like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look. I love anything with embroidery on it. Now that's... Oh, look, there's another book page. I'm going to have to start making things, even if there's nothing I can do with them. When I'm finished, I can just keep them or give them away to somebody, can't I? Look at that. Oh, isn't that lovely? Beautiful. Thank you so much. When she gave them to me the other day, I had a quick look while she was in, and then didn't realise how how much and how good are these goodies. I still got it all. Look at that one. I've got a bit of white like that, I think, or creamy colour. Look at this bit. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's all been sewn on there by hand, all them beads. You know what I could do? Sit down and do that if I could just get the... I mean, the cat had a really good set too today. He would not let me do what I was trying to do. He had to get him to be removed from my craft room. The more I put him on the floor, the more he kept getting up here. I do love him so much, but he gets in my way. Isn't that so nice? And if I'm showing you these things upside down again, like I used to, I'm sorry. Oh, wow. Look at this bit. Oh, dear. Isn't this lovely? Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I do like that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Isn't that so nice? Gotta get and do more. Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow. It's a full bit. Look at it. Oh, thank you so much. I could cut a couple of little rows of flowers off, I suppose, and either keep them in a row or just make them by themselves and then keep this bit here to put on something, I suppose. That's just so beautiful, isn't it? Thank you so much for that bit too. They are so awesome. Oh dear, I'm spoiled, aren't I? I am so... Oh, look at this. I think actually it was bundled up in that, and I took it out to see what it was. Isn't it cool? It's already a skirt. For a very small thing, but it's a skirt. But I don't think I'll use it for that. I think I've got an idea. Actually, I do know what I'm going to do with it, but maybe you'll see it one day, hopefully. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And it's got tiny, tiny little, like, sequence circle-y things in there. See? Isn't that beautiful? There's 2 rows of this. 2 lots. But, you know, you need probably the 2 together. You wouldn't sort of take them apart because you need to get the effect of how brilliant that is and how glittery it is. Isn't that nice? Oh, thank you. Still going here. Still got more stuff in my bag. Let me see. Oh, dear. She knows I'm collecting up things for gypsy stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness me. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And you stretch it out and it does this. Look. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Oh, wow. So they must have... I'm not going to try and figure out how they did that with the material. Sometimes you can go on the internet, you can see how material's made, but I don't think, or fabric and that, I don't think they'll show me. Oh, look at this bit here. You know what? I thought that would make a really good mermaid tail. But then it'll look even better in my gypsy album when I get to it again. I've got to get back to that. I haven't done any for a while. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much. Thank you. That is beautiful. And it's like a... I don't know what we're called. It is not a taffeta. It's not a silky thing either. But it is really nice. It could have a bit of silk in it. Oh yeah, look at the threads. Could do. Could be a couple of combinations of two different things, I suppose. Isn't that lovely? Oh, I do like that. Thank you so much, Michelle. That is absolutely awesome. And then I got this piece. Wow. I don't know if I ever did show you, but I made these little folded kimonos out of fabric, and I've got them around here near me somewhere. Not at the moment, I can't grab them, but I will show you one day. And this is just the thing, or even in the gypsy books, or what fairy things, whatever you want to do, that material is absolutely gorgeous. It's really, really beautiful, isn't it? Oh, I like that. I like that. And look at this one. Woo! Isn't that good? Oh, Michelle knows I love these colours. Look at that. Oh, isn't that good? Oh, I do love that. Oh dear, I just really do love the colours in that. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much. Thank you. Beautiful. I think she said some of them might have come off of scarves or something. This is silk thing, this is. I'm nearly sure it is. Nearly sure. Not quite, but nearly. Bit off a silk scarf. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at the colours. Isn't that beautiful? And the feel of it's so good. Really nice to make beads or put on pages and all that frill there. And I think I might have too much things. Can't be true. That cannot be true. I will not be saying that at all. I don't say that at all. Oh, velvet. Ooh, and velvet ribbon. I love velvet. Oh, velvet ribbon too. Oh, yeah, this is good, isn't it? Wow. Can't get at it. Come on, Sonia, you can do this. Oh, wow, look at that. It's got little sequins on it. Oh, look at this. It's got tiny little sequins going on there. Gee, that's nice. So I think she got this off something too. Repurposing things is an amazing good idea because you can get all these beautiful fabrics. People have hardly even used them, and you can put it into your crafting. Now that's going to look really good in your book. Wow. Oh boy, I'm still going here. This is good. I'll just fish out the rest of it on the table. Goodness me. Thank you so much, Michelle. This is very kind. I've got all these fibres in here. Look at that. Wow, these are nice, aren't they? There's all different sorts, in different colours. Wool fibre, that's really nice. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I've got so many things that I want to do with bits like this. I have got a little weaving loom I bought, and one of these days I'll be weaving something on it. These are nice, aren't they? Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Look. And this one here, look at it, isn't that pretty? Love the blue. And I think I told her I might have a bit like that, but I didn't have much, so maybe she'd probably give it to me before, I'd say. They are so nice. Thank you so much, Michelle. And this bit, wow. Oh, look. Oh, it's wrapped up with diamonds. I say that about anything sparkly. It's a diamond. Oh, dear, I hope I'm in the shot. It'd be nice if I'd been showing you this and not even got... Look at that. Oh, isn't that good? Nice little trim of beads. Tiny little beads with the pearly in the middle. And this is netting thing. A netting thing. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Isn't that beautiful? It's purpley one. And I'm sorry if I'm starting to get going a bit faster. I don't know how long I've got left on my video, my camera, because I don't want to run out of thing. But isn't this nice? I've got some of this now. This is gorgeous. Look at it. Thank you. And she gave me a roll of these colours and that nice trim. Beautiful trim. Look at this. I've got a roll of colours. I'm already running out of room on my card, so I'm not going to I'll just show you these a little bit quicker. These are nice. These would be nice for doing beads. Wouldn't it though? Just so happens that's what I plan on wanted to do some of that today. Oh, thank you very much. That is so good. Thank you. I really do like them. Wow. And I've got another piece of velvet ribbon. Thank you, Michele. Thank you. And this, look at that. Got all these little squares on it, like sewing on it. That's really neat, isn't it? And there's another piece. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Thank you so much for all these wonderful, wonderful pretties. And you know what? I'm thinking, I know that she sent me a bag of little bits too, but I don't know where I put it. I was looking at it the other day and I don't know what I did with them, Michele. I'm sorry. I will do another video later on down the track when I find it. Okay? So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you very much, Michele, for these beautiful, beautiful bits and pieces that you sent me to do some work with. Thank you. Thank you for everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.